Welcome back to BIA Basic. So in module 2, we will be talking about financial statement. And this financial statement is the first step for every stock investor, all right, to identify good companies. Whenever you want to identify and find good companies, you want to see their numbers. And this is where we go and find it. Okay, so let's get started. Now, first thing first, financial statement, we must understand that we are not accountants. Yeah, we are stock investors here. So you will see a lot of people, perhaps, okay, whenever they teach you financial statement, they will teach you a lot of things, okay, everything in the financial statement there. No, okay, please don't confuse yourself. Okay, stock investing doesn't need to be that confusing because when we look at companies, we are not looking it, okay, as an accountant. We want to make sure all the numbers are there, you know, what are the definition and everything. Because when we look into a company's financial statement, we are looking through the lenses of a stock investor. This is the main difference here. So all we need to do is to just look the important things that will tell us what's happening in the company. That's all. And my role here is to teach you guys what are the numbers that you need to focus on, what is the story behind it. Okay. Now, so all we need to do is to know just enough to judge a company's performance. Okay, no need to know a lot of things. I know, okay, some of you may perhaps want to know, okay, what is ROE lah, what is quality of earnings lah, what is EBITDA lah. Okay, yes, I'm aware of all of these numbers here. But all of this, let me tell you, is not really that important, okay, in our experience when identifying good companies, because we want you guys, okay, to focus on the numbers that can really move the share price. This is the most important because value is not telling you and teaching you everything. Value is when we help you filter out the important things for you to know and make things simple, not make things difficult, even more difficult for you guys. Yeah. And do remember, we are stock investors. We are not accountants and we are not analysts. So there's a lot of things that we actually do not need to know. We only need to know enough to judge the company's performance. Yeah. So numbers, again, is just a small part of the story. Please take note of that. What's more important is our ability to assess a company's future growth and sustainability. So going through the financial statement is the first step on identifying a good company or not. Okay. So throughout the financial statement, you all need to know three things. And that is the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Okay, so now that I give you guys the overview already, in my next video, I will go through it one by one. Okay, the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, what you need to know, all right, and how to interpret it. Yeah, so on the next video is about financial statement, and I will go through the income statement with you already. Okay, see you in my next video.